What's going on, guys? Mitsubishi inside the garage. So today I'm gonna go ahead and install the exhaust back on it. I'm gonna use the same exhaust that I had for now, but I'm just going to trim it shorter instead of going all the way to the back because it has to go in between the suspension on the back, and it's pretty difficult to put in and out. So instead I'm just gonna cut it shorter and just put some hangers on it. It's still like from 3 inch, it quickly reduces down to 2.5, and then I have like the cherry bomb resonator, and then I'll just have a straight pipe with a hanger. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. And here's part of the exhaust. We have the 3-inch V-band right here. It's a 3-inch flex pipe right here, and then you'll see this pipe, it was 2.5. I split it open and then I filled in that little space, but then from here it's just 2.5 inch. As you can see, this one I must have welded it underneath the car or something. I don't remember. Very horrible, but now I have a better welder with shooting gas, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it about right here at the end. This right here goes around some like space where this back seat is or whatever, and then from here it uses this pipe which goes through the suspension and then out the back, but there's no way to disconnect or connect, so that V-band or whatever it is just there. I think it was just there just to hold a wire, hold it up. But so yeah, I'll probably just cut this, use this as a dump pipe right here, but it's basically a straight pipe with a resonator. So I'm going to use the MIG 205 Pro Arccaptain, the multi-process welder. I'm using MIG weld at 15.6 volts, 140 inches per minute, and I'm actually using about 25 psi of mixed gas. And first off, I'm going to go ahead and just weld this up. And since it's just a straight pipe, I'm going to put it underneath, and then we'll come back to adding the dump pipe. But let's go ahead and weld this. Okay, so here is the V-band. This is a 3-inch that's gonna go right here to connect with the downpipe. I already have this welded, and now it's just a straight pipe, but since it's curved right here, I'm gonna go ahead and install it with the V-band, make sure it is aligned wherever it needs to be, and then I'll just tack weld underneath the car, just tack weld the dump piece that I'm gonna put, and probably the little hanger that I'll put back here, and take it back off, and out here I'll just finish welding it. So I put the V-band right here, and you can see how it kind of wants to go to this side. It's more clearance. So now, back there, you'll see there's a hanger right there, and I'll put one of those rubber hangers once I lift it up. Here's the down pipe that I'm gonna put. It has the wider pipe right here, so it could just slip in. I'm gonna tack it a few times, and then since the pipe right now is resting on that brick, but I have plenty of space so that I can weld it all the way around. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install this. Alright, so it's pretty much gonna go just like that, and depends on the angle, but once we put it up here, look at that. Looks alright. I'll probably put it off to the side. Depends. Not too much. I welded on this this bolt, and that's gonna be my hanger. I'll put a washer and nut to secure it, but there's the weld. Very nice. And oh no, again, it always happens. But here are the welds on the tip. I cut there. Let me cover that. For that, I'm going to use the spot feature. What in the heli? Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at the exhaust before I put the car down. And it's a very simple exhaust. First off, that's as low as it hangs. You can barely see it. Right here, I didn't put the dump pipe exactly pointing down. There's a bit of a angle to it. I still can't put flash because it's low on battery. But other than that, I put a hanger right here, with I'm gonna put a washer and a nut, just so it doesn't fall off. And look at that, is plenty of clearance on both sides and on top. So let's go ahead and see how it sounds. So yeah, a few cuts and a few welds, and I have, well, half of my exhaust back. But like I said, I'm still working on it. I'm just changing a few things here or there. Let's take a quick drive and see how it sounds. Alright, this is a yield. I came through this road. This is the Rattler Drive, I think. But we can go into town. Speed limit is 55. Final drive. Fifth gear, 55. Fourth gear, 45. Alright, so I am back from testing the car, and I will say it sounds better than having just open downpipe. The downpipe was just extremely loud. I put this exhaust, but it's still, like, in some certain places, going 45, 60, maintaining that speed, there's a lot of drone. Also, like, it's really loud, and since I have the dump pipe just underneath the car, I feel all the vibration and all the carbon monoxide, is it? So yeah, I still need to work on the exhaust, and I had said I have the T3 turbo. I want to get another turbo, which is the I said external wastegate, but I want one that already has a wastegate so I can block off the one on the manifold. And then I'll do a smaller, tighter exhaust, maybe like a 2-inch or so. Get a muffler, silencer or something just to quiet down. And it's raining? No, it's just windy. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave some comments, and I'll be back with some more videos. So thanks for watching. Peace out.